Whoa. Wait, I need to like back up so
Yeah,
I
I need to adjust it. I don't know if there's a way, but there must be.
can I zoom out?
No, it says that you can't, which.
Wait. Make her like do the almost flip again, where she went. Wow. Stella.
I'm gonna have to edit the video.
Yeah, maybe.
Come
Like,
on, Stella.
wait, hold
You're
on.
not doing anything now.
Maybe this is a better angle.
No, she's not doing anything.
I know.
Come on.
Maybe you're going too fast.
There we go.
That was a good one.
Well,
Wow, I feel like I'm so close to her. In so many ways.
whoa. Takedown. Come on, Stella, give us a dramatic one.
A flip. I want to flip.
Yeah, give us at least something.
Oh, that was a half flip.
Yes.
Oh. Couple circles. You gotta.
Yeah, the circles weren't bad.
They're like a 5.
Alright.
Should I end the video?
Yeah, I might get a few.
I want to like.
Like slightly annoyed, I think. This is a long, boring video.
There you go. She got it.
Alright.
All right.